Welcome! Today I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings into Oppo A53s. First of all, go into settings and find additional settings option. This one. Then choose screen recording, and here first block in this option will be sound option. So here we got two options: record system sound, this position is turn on, and record microphone sound, its position to turn off. And for example, if you want to turn on this option, click here to switcher, confirm operation, click OK, and that's it. Now we record microphone sound into screen recording. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.